Hello everyone, I'm Dhruvika, design team member at Craft Angles. So today I'm going to showcase what is there in my DT kit. So it's an amazing release that we had, and I have two beautiful colors of the reactive foils, one in red and one in pink, and these are very festive, let me tell you. And it works so well with the laminators and without the laminators. So let's have a look at these colors. Aren't these beautiful? Yeah, so I'm planning to make something creative with all of this without the laminators, of course. And I have these beautiful mixed media essentials, which are called the texture paste in golden dragon, and this one is in unicorn dreams. This one is my favorite, and this one out here is the midnight madness. So yeah, like if you would have seen the launch of these products, you would see that although they look similar in color, but they have very different colors. I'm planning to go and do something on the white and the black as well, but this one out here is my favorite, this one. And one of the most amazing releases that happened was these beautiful note cards. So I absolutely love them. If you've been seeing my videos, you would see how easy it is to have these pre-cut note cards, wherein you just have to score it in half, and then you have a A2 card. So I have here the A2 card. This one is in 300 GSM. While this one here is again A2 card, note card, which is in 250 GSM. They both come, these are the ones, you just score them and use it. And they also come along with the envelopes here. Similarly, I also have this one. This is again A2 side folding note card, wherein I can score it in half and get the color, get the this thing, and this is in 250 GSM. And similarly, I have the another variant in 300 GSM. If you personally ask me, I just love 250 GSM, but yes, the heavier the cardstock is, the whole look changes, trust me. Then I have two amazing note cards. These are for the slim line. So again, the variants are in 250 GSM and 300 GSM, and these again can be scored in half to get this slim line. I'm recommending these because these are such a charm. They actually save a lot of time and you can concentrate on making your own cards. Okay, so these are amazing dies. These are must-have dies. This is the grass border. If you see, these are amazing to make the scenes. This one out here is the cloud, and what you can also do is, which I'll be telling you of course, how to make stencils with these dies. And then I have two stencils. One is called the couple silhouette and the other is called the Indian dancer. And I am sure that there are no other Indian brands which have been making it, rather no one has been making it. And this one with the couple silhouette, it also comes with the beautiful clouds and the grass as well, so you can make a lot of things. So yeah, I'm going to share it. And lastly is this beautiful wedding border. So it's got this whole dolly and this thing, which I'm going to use it with this and the reactive foils.